Good morning, teacher. How are you today? Do you feel good this morning? Good morning. I feel good today. It is a beautiful day. I start my day with positive energy and I try to stay calm and focused. That's good. Today, I want to practice the present simple and I want to ask you about your daily routine, teacher. Because daily routines use the present simple all the time. That is correct. We use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and things we do every day. That's present simple. You can ask me many questions, and I explain everything step by step. All right, thank you. What time do you wake up every day? Well, I wake up at 6 in the morning from Monday to Friday. I do not wake up late because I like to have time for myself. I start my day slowly and I prepare my mind for work. All right, now, do you wake up alone or with an alarm? Okay, I wake up with an alarm every day. I have to be honest. I do not like loud alarms, so I choose a soft one. The alarm helps me stay disciplined and organized. I see, teacher. What do you do after you wake up? Let's see. I get out of bed immediately and I make my bed. I believe a clean bed creates a clean mind. That's important. I do not leave my bed messy because order helps me feel calm. All right, teacher. Do you use your phone in the morning? No, I do not use my phone when I wake up. I avoid social media in the morning because it distracts me. I prefer silence and peace at the start of the day. Okay, this question is weird. What do you do in the bathroom? I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, and I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and I remind myself to stay positive. I take care of myself because self care is important. All right, teacher. And do you take a shower every day? Yes, I take a shower every morning. The shower helps me wake up and feel fresh. I feel ready for the day after my shower. It's important. Yes, of course. What clothes do you wear in the morning? Let's see. I wear comfortable clothes at home. I choose simple clothes because comfort matters to me. I change into work clothes later. That's more comfortable. Okay, and what do you usually eat for breakfast? I eat a simple breakfast every day. I don't eat much. I drink coffee, I eat toast, and sometimes I eat fruit. I do not eat heavy food because it makes me feel tired. All right, and tell me, do you eat breakfast alone? Yes, I eat breakfast alone during the week because I live alone and because I am divorced. You know, I use breakfast time to think and plan my day. I like cooking simple meals because it saves money and time. Cooking relaxes me in the morning. I really like it. It's relaxing. What time do you start work? I start work at 8 in the morning. I leave home early and I arrive on time. I respect my job and my students. Okay, now about work. What do you do at work? Well, I am a teacher. I teach English every day. I explain grammar, I practice conversations, and I answer questions. I help students gain confidence in English. I love teaching. I feel happy when my students improve. Teaching gives meaning to my life. All right, let's move on. What do you do in the afternoon? I finish work and I return home. I eat lunch and rest for a short time. I do not sleep too long because I stay productive. I see. But do you feel lonely in the afternoon? Alone? Um, Sometimes I feel lonely, but I stay busy. I read books, I prepare lessons, and I listen to music. All right. When do your children stay with you? My children. Well, they stay with me on weekends. They come on Friday evening and they leave on Sunday night. Weekends feel very different when they are with me. Yeah, I guess so. What do you do on Saturday morning? On Saturdays, I wake up early and I prepare breakfast for my children. I cook eggs, pancakes, and toast. We eat together and talk about our plans. And tell me, do you feel happy when you are? Yes, I feel very happy when my children are with me. The house feels alive and full of noise. I feel like a real family again. All right, what do you do in the afternoon with them? In the afternoon, we go outside, we walk, or we play together. Sometimes we watch a movie at home. I try to spend quality time with them. Okay, teacher, we almost finished. What do you do at night? I clean the house and I prepare things for the next day. Then I brush my teeth and I go to bed around 10:30. I sleep well because I follow a routine. It helps me a lot. Your routine helps me understand the present simple very clearly. Thank you. You are welcome. Remember, we use the present simple for routines and habits. Practice every day and you improve little by little. And tell me, guys, what is your daily routine? Tell us in the comments.